Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you all. With respect, Prof. Dr. Koryo Hana MM as the main supervisor and the Honorable Mr. Aditya Pratama SPD MPD as the opening lecturer. On this opportunity, I will present my proposal with the title The Influence of Entrepreneurship, Education, and the School Environment on the Entrepreneurial Interest of Vocational Students in South Jakarta. But before continuing, let me introduce myself. My name is Deswi Diana Nurhayati with name 1707620007 from the Business Education Study Program. As for the main topic discussed in this presentation are 1. Introduction, 2. Literature review, 3. Research methodology. 1. Introduction. Immediately in the introduction section, the research in writing this proposal was motivated by various problems, namely currently Indonesia is experiencing a fairly high unemployment rate, where the percentage of unemployment in Indonesia is 5.32% in 2003. Factors that also due to the large number of unemployed are lack of job opportunities, unsuitable qualification, or qualification that are very complicated, lack of experienced fresh graduates who are selective in their job. It turned out that the graduates who submit the most unemployment figure were vocational school graduates, which according to that based on students who had graduated, the Central Statistic Agency announced that unemployment in 2021 for elementary school graduates was 3.61%. For junior high school graduate, 6.45%. For graduate high school, 9.09%. Unemployment rate based on education, namely for elementary school graduate, 3.59%. For junior high school graduate, 5.95%. For high school graduate, 8.57%, and for vocational school graduate, 9.42%. And in 2023, the unemployment rate will continue to decline based on education, namely for elementary school graduate, 2.56%. For junior high school graduate, 4.78%. For high school graduate, 8.50%. And for vocational school graduate, 9.31%. This information shows that unemployed vocational school graduates are the most unemployed compared to unemployed graduates of other education. Even though it has the highest percentage, vocational school graduates continue to decline every year. With this, the Ministry of Education and Culture encouraged vocational school to create young entrepreneurs. The Directorate of Vocational High School Development of the Ministry of Education and Culture, Kemendikbud, continue to strive to develop entrepreneurship among students at vocational school. Through the vocational school entrepreneurship learning development assistance program, school principals are challenged to produce more young entrepreneurs from vocational school students. School principals have a very big role in determining whether entrepreneurship education is successful or not. Roles such as providing training and internship in business, work institution, and entrepreneurship education teaching factory or SPV program. This activity is a practicum activity for the creative product and entrepreneurship, and simulation and digital media subject. With this research conducted a pre-survey in the form of a questionnaire which stated that students really wanted to be entrepreneurs because entrepreneurship brings a bright future and can reduce unemployment and can open up employment opportunities. By taking 30 samples in this pre-survey, the graphic data can be expressed as follows. The problem formulation in this research is 1. How does entrepreneurship education influence the entrepreneurial interests of vocational school students in South Jakarta? 2. How does the school environment influence the entrepreneurial interests of vocational school students in South Jakarta? 3. How big is the contribution of entrepreneurship education and the school environment to the entrepreneurial interests of vocational school students in South Jakarta? Based on the problem formulation that I explained earlier, the aim of this research is 1. Assessing the influence of entrepreneurship education on vocational school students' entrepreneurial interests in South Jakarta. 2. Assessing the influence of the school environment of the entrepreneurial interests of vocational school students in South Jakarta. 3. Identifying the combined contribution of entrepreneurship education and the school environment to the entrepreneurial interests of vocational school students in South Jakarta. There are two aspects benefit in this research, namely theoretical benefit and practical benefits. The theoretical benefits are 1. This research can contribute to the development of entrepreneurship theory by providing new insight into the relationship between entrepreneurship education, school environment, and interest in entrepreneurship. 2. The result of this research can add to academic literature regarding the influence of entrepreneurship education and the school environment on interest in entrepreneurship, especially in the context of vocational school in South Jakarta. And the practical benefits are 1. The research result can provide recommendation to policy makers and educators regarding more effective entrepreneurship curriculum design in vocational school. 2. This research can help school identify and improve elements of the school environment that support entrepreneurship. These include improving facilities and providing mentor. 2. Literature review. The second part of the literature review, there are two grand theories used in this research, namely, 1. Bronfenbrenner theory of development ecology, which explains that the ecological theory of child development was introduced by Yuri Bronfenbrenner, a psychologist from Cornell College, United States. Ecological theory view that human development is influenced by the environmental context. The reciprocal relationship between the individual and the environment will shape the individual's behavior. The second theory is the entrepreneurial action theory, which explains that the entrepreneurial action theory explains two factors that influence a person's interest in entrepreneurship, namely entrepreneurial education and entrepreneurial motivation. This means that someone who has knowledge of markets and technology will be aware of the changes that are occurring. Then the emergency of motivation within a person encourage them to take advantage of these opportunities further. These two factors are related to each other in influencing a person's interest in entrepreneurship. Here there are three concepts of my variables. The first is understanding entrepreneurship education according to Wakiah and Usman 2020. Entrepreneurship education is the process of teaching students to make a business to face an uncertain future. Second, understanding the school environment according to John Webes. The school environment is all the physical, social, and cultural elements that exist in and around the school, including school facilities, student-teacher social interaction, and school cultural principles. The term school environment is used to describe all physical and non-physical aspects of a school that influence student learning experience and overall educational activities. And thirdly, understanding entrepreneurial interest. Entrepreneurial interest is the desire and willingness to fulfill one's life needs quickly without worrying about failure. M. Hassan et al. 2022. The study of research result related to this research comes from 1. Yohana Kori Rahmadania, RF, and Prihandono 2021. Study of the influence of education and literacy of entrepreneurship in vocational high school, Indonesian case, Academic Journal of Interdisciplinary Studies. The research results found that school management variable, the role of teacher, teaching factories, and community participation had a positive influence on supporting facilities variable and entrepreneurship education variable. The facility support itself has a positive effect on entrepreneurship education, which in turn has a positive effect on student entrepreneurial literacy. 2. Christy Johanna Kori Saidani 2022 The Influence of Entrepreneurship, Education and Social Environment on Entrepreneurial Interest, Journal of Business Management and Finance. The result of the test revealed 1. Entrepreneurship education has a positive influence on interest in entrepreneurship. 2. The social environment has a positive influence on interest in entrepreneurship. Furthermore, the framework of thinking can be seen on the slide that entrepreneurship education influence interest in entrepreneurship. The school environment influence interest in entrepreneurship, and entrepreneurship education and school environment influence interest in entrepreneurship. From the framework of thinking previously explained, the researcher can make a hypothesis, namely H1 entrepreneurship education has a positive influence on interest in entrepreneurship. H2 the school environment has a positive influence on interest in entrepreneurship. H3 entrepreneurship education and the school environment have a positive influence on interest in entrepreneurship. 3. Research methodology. Next is the third part, namely the research methodology for the location and time of the research, which is carried out at Vocational High School in South Jakarta. The time period carried out by research is 6 months from June 2023 to December 2023. The types and sorts of data used are quantitative data types with primer data, surveys using questionnaire, and for technical data analysis using descriptive analysis. Furthermore, in this research, the population is vocational high school student, determining the sample use for purposive sampling, where purposive sampling is a sampling technique in research that is based on certain consideration or criteria. To determine the number of samples used in this research, a random sampling system was used. The formula used is the Slovene formula, so the sample obtained was 18 respondents. For data collection methods, using a questionnaire with a 5-point measurement scale. For the research instrument, the indicator for the entrepreneurship education variable consists of 1. Educational competency curriculum, 2. Quality of work, 3. Teaching and learning facilities. Indicator for school environment variable consists of 1. Physical environment, 2. Social environment. And indicator for the variable interest in entrepreneurship consists of 1. Self-confident, 2. Work and result-oriented, 3. Take a risk, 4. Leadership, and 5. Future outlook. Finally, the data analysis technique use 3 tests, namely 1. Test data quality, 2. Classic assumption test, 3. Hypothesis testing. To test data quality, it consists of 1. Validity test, 2. Reliability test. The classic assumption test consists of 1. Normality test and 2. Multicollinearity test. And hypothesis testing consists of 1. Multiple linear regression test, 2. t-test, 3. test V, and 4. Coefficient of determination test. That's all the presentation regarding the contents of my research proposal. Sorry if there are any wrong words, more or less sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.